Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share my another techniques. Lalaking karatido based on the rope. Please subscribe, click notification bell sa follow my Facebook, TikTok. Tapumat karatido in the rope. Please be careful to do this. I remember this technique when I was 12 years old. My grandpa was teaching me this. So viewers, pagpawanin niyo po, medyo mahina po ang ating kamera. Now, so much, and I'm really happy to share this technique into our next generation of strategy and rope. Magdandahan po sa paggain nito. To all beginners, put in the rope, two rope like this, and be a concentrate of your body to go up and like this. Magdandahan guys sa paggain nito. Maaari nyo pong kada-damage kung hindi nyo po umpisan yung first technique. Kasi guys, kung bibiglayin mo, maaari kang may injury sa iyong katawan. Dandahan po lamang. To all beginners, lalaking combat karatido in the rope. Ginagamit siya guys itong laking technique. Laking technique, ground technique to fight. Combat karatido isa more than higher in kickboxing, Muay Thai, karate. So, tinatawag nila guys na Jiu-Jitsu. Sige no? Sige no? Bago dumarating ang combat karatido techniques. Marami pang techniques ito guys. At ating si-share yun, no? Isa-isa. Guys, no? Routine techniques. Guys, pamanin nyo ha. Hindi mahina po yung ating device. Sige, no? Ibuubit na yung ating cellphone. Lap, down. Like this. Lap. Guys, no? Sige, no? First step. Ganito siya. Sige, no? Normal eyes, body.
Yeah. Lock your feet like this. Alright. Sige na. Tindahan. Sige na. Then, put the rope like this. Pag nag-lock na siya guys, make sure naka-fit yung paa mo doon sa lubid. The rope. To the lock. To be like that. And then, turn. To be your muscle, stomach to be like this. Unlock. Isa. Yan. May lock guys yung dalawang daliri mo. Yan, sige no. Pinakamalaking daliri sa paa. Sige no. The cellphone is overheat. Sige no. My cellphone is dead. Hindi ko say it's overheat. Sige no. Let's go at it now. Kumbat ka tilo ang laro. Isa. 3 techniques. Ina-floating. And then 3 techniques. Ito pull up. 3 by 3. Has to be strategy. Mga ninyo guys, medyo mahina yung ating kategori. Ating cellphone. Na, pwede tayo ng magandang kamera. Isa. 3 counts of technique. Magdandaan po sa bagay nito.
Alright. Make sure your body is floating like this. And here's now. Down, like that. Now. Out, pull up. Ginagamit siya guys kung paano mag-lock. Kung yung mas malaki ang kalaban mo, fight into ground. Kung ikaw naman nakaangat, lock. Yanik. Sige na. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh, working again. My cellphone. It's overheat. Wow. Thank you so much. Welcome to my vlog.